What do you think is gonna be better? The add-ons or the mystery box? Well, they both have some interesting things. Then let's take a look. Okay. In the add-ons department, you can purchase items at what I saw, for at least what I purchased, looked like about half price. One of the first items I got for $3, it has a retail of 8, is this little lip scrubber. And if you've been watching my videos for a while, you will remember that I got one of these in another paid box. I believe it was Paradise delivered when I did one of their mystery boxes. And at the time I was like, well, okay, this might have a use. And I'm thinking to myself, yeah, it'll probably fall apart after 1, maybe 2 uses. It's never going to work, blah, 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 blah. And it only fits on my pinky, which is true. My fingers are kind of long, and so the only way I can get this to fit is to put it on my pinky. It has some nice scrubbies, and I'm finding I'm using that other one a lot more, which is why I bought this one. So in other words, you stuck your foot in your mouth when you reviewed it the first time. Exactly. So please allow me a moment to pry my foot out of my mouth. Because I was definitely wrong about this thing, which is why I purchased a second one. I don't know what its life expectancy is or, how long it will last, but I am putting this to good use and very happy for $3 to get another one. The other item that Anne purchased for $16 has a suggested retail of $26. This is a skinny can holder. It's by Lilly Pulitzer. It's metal inside. It's metal on the outside with an adorable pattern. This is a label which I haven't taken off yet. The bottom is rubberized, so when you set it down, you're not going to be making a mark on your table or wherever you're setting it. And it is from the How Do You Like Me Prowl collection. I thought that was a cute name. How do you like me prowl? How do you like me prowl? Then with FabFitFun, you can buy mystery bundles. So Anne spent $40 and got 4 items that are supposed to have a retail of $100. And I kind of scratched my head on that a little bit looking at them, yet for a $40 splurge, I think it was kind of worth it when you see what I got. And this is Mystery Bundle 2402-MYS-012, just in case anyone is keeping track. From Botanio Beauty, hope I said that right, we have the Fill and Tame Brow Gel. Now, I know this is something that will make its way to the Find a Future home box because I don't use brow gel, but okay, it was a mystery bundle. I wound up with 4 items, so that would make them $10 each. $10 for a brow gel, I think, is probably a pretty reasonable price, considering that makeup and cosmetics do cost a good amount sometimes. From Sexy Hair, we have a hair rinse for gloss and glow. Healthy Gloss and Glow Rinse. And this is she's trying to read the size and the print is super tiny. 6.5 fluid ounces. And it has a safety seal, so I'm leaving it sealed up and I can't get a scent Usually I can get a sniff scent through a safety seal, not on this one. So I'm curious to give it a try and see how it compares to some other hair gloss and glow type products that I already am trying and that I already really like. So we shall see what happens with this one. For 10 bucks, why not? Now we have a ceramic item from Short Stories. And this is an interesting little thing as I try to maneuver it around and not drop it. Okay, come here. Okay, so this is what she looks like. Help me out here, Fatima. Thank you, girl. She has an opening there, and then a bit of a ledge and a bit of a divot in there. My thought was that I better put this down before I drop it and break it. My thought was maybe it was designed to hold a plant. Granted, you would have to put some rock or gravel in the bottom first because there is no drainage hole. Or perhaps you could put an artificial plant in there. My other thought was that you could maybe put your makeup brushes in there and set your palette on the front of it, so then you're ready to go with your blush and your eyeshadow palette in the morning. You've got it already set up and ready to go. Or maybe you could put some fresh cut flowers in there with a little water, and that doesn't need a drainage hole. And then maybe put something in front of it or just leave it as it is. What would you do with that item? Let me know down below. I am curious. The last item that was in the mystery bundle is from a company called Lux and Willow, and it is a travel kit. I like the way that it is clear on both sides so you can see what you've got in it in case you want to put something in there in addition to what comes with it or instead of what comes with it. It's a faux leather, faux canvas type, so it could easily be wiped down if it got wet or got something on it. It has a nice zipper that goes all the way around. Help me out here, Fatima. So when you open it up, well, if I'd zipped it better, basically it opens up so you can see everything. Oh yes, I can see everything that's in there. So that makes it easy to use so you're not having to rummage around. And it comes with quite the collection of items. And it's size-wise is airline travel friendly because each of these is under 3 ounces. So you get 2 empty bottles for whatever you would put in here. Probably, I'm guessing, shampoo and conditioner. It comes with a set of stick-on labels so you can stick on to each item what you've put in there in case you need a reminder. It comes with a spray bottle and a little funnel to help you get the liquid in there without making a mess. It comes with 2 tiny screw-top containers for lotion, and it comes with 2 tiny spatulas for your lotion or whatever else you want to put in those little containers, and it also comes with a brush cleaner to help clean out your containers after you have used them if you want to change up what you're carrying around in them. Overall, that was a fun mystery bundle. Yes, I think it was. My first thought when I saw the travel pack was, You could probably find this at the dollar store. Then I saw all the stuff that was in it for $10, not bad. And like I said, maybe you take the bottles and put them in a different travel pack that you already have and use that one for something else that could probably hold since it has a good zipper to it, it could probably hold a wet bathing suit if you needed to. Lots of different options. And that ceramic little container, is it for makeup or is it for something else? Gives you options. Nothing wrong with options. Yeah, it was a fun one. So, if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing for more fun adventures. Comment below, what was your favorite thing from the mystery bundle? And we hope to see you again. And check out something that's popping up on the screen. And I think there's a link down below if you're interested in joining FabFitFun. Yes, lots of options. See you later. Bye-bye.